Representation in Media and Arts Shapes Our Understanding of Gender. This work package explores how media constructs gender norms and identities, influencing societal practices and individual decisions. Media practitioners create symbolic systems that produce specific meanings for audiences. These systems can consolidate or resist stereotypical gender understandings, impacting how gender is perceived and enacted in society. Advertising, a pervasive form of media, significantly shapes societal norms and expectations. Campaigns often rely on stereotypical cultural symbols, but also have the potential to inspire more inclusive and just representations. We aim to develop toolkits for creating inclusive representations in media. These toolkits, useful in advertising, education, and journalism, will include best practices to counteract stereotypical gender configurations. Collaborating with museums and artists, we will curate exhibitions on unstereotyping gender. These exhibitions will highlight inclusive representations, raising critical consciousness and offering alternative gender imaginaries. By examining and challenging media representations, we can foster a more inclusive society. Our work aims to inspire change, encouraging counter-normative, non-binary, and emancipatory gender representations.